Open the iDatum client and disable acquisition frame rate control. Locate pixel format in image format control and modify it as needed. Still not hitting the target frame rate? Try setting ADC bit depth to 8 bits. Check your exposure time. Excessive exposure time significantly reduces the frame rate. Lower it if necessary. If still not working, restore default settings and repeat the steps. Make sure you're using a USB 3.0 port and that the link speed is correct. If the link speed is incorrect, try a different USB port or cable and reconnect the device.